Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a resource called Noodletools. This is a resource that's been paid for by the school district. It's a great resource. You use it to create citations, which is something you need for the annotated bibliography. So you would access Noodletools through the Cherokee High School website under Learning Tools. You would click there and it would be one of the resources under the high school section. To make it easier for you, I've included a link to Noodletools in Canvas under Modules and Task 1.2, so it's there. You can access it in either place. But anyways, once you click on the link, you'll see a screen like this. And so you'll sign in using Microsoft 365, so basically your school district Microsoft account. And it'll load. It'll sign you in. And basically you'll get to a screen like this. All right. So this is kind of the home screen for Noodletools. Once you get here, I've already done it actually, but you're going to create a new project. And you'll title it Unit 1 Informational Essay or something like that. We're going to figure out what citation style we're going to use. And because this is an English classroom, we use Modern Language Association rules. So we will do MLA. And we need to figure out what level we're going to do it at. We're more advanced than starters. I don't want you to do advanced because basically that's like a college level of citation. So we're going to do junior. All right. And I've already actually done this. I'm going to click exit here, but y'all hit submit. All right. So then once we hit submit, we'll go to our Unit 1 informational essay part. And so you'll see Noodletools has lots of things that you can do on it. But for us, we're basically just going to use it for sources. So come up here to where it says sources. Click on that. And this will be basically a place for you to house the sources that you created. You need to find 3 nonfiction ones. So you'll create the citations here. First, to create your first one, you're going to hit New Source. All right, and you have several options about what kind of source it is. So like a database would be something like Gale that you found. A website would be you found something by searching on Google. Print or in hand would be like I gave you a packet or you're referring to a book. Viewed, heard live, it would be a lecture or an interview, YouTube video, something like that. File would be someone sent you a PDF. So we're actually going to use an article that I referred to in a previous video. So this is on the AJC. It's called Georgia's Small Towns Continue to Shrink, New Census Estimates Show. So just kind of continuing on with the rural exodus thing. This is a website, so we're going to click on that. After you decide, first of all, what it is, there will be lots of other little subcategories. Web page, anthology, book, journal. For our purposes, this is an online newspaper, so we will hit newspaper. And it'll load. Okay. Actually, it's telling me here we want to set it as a web page, so let's switch to that. All right, first of all, we have a URL, which is basically the website address. So we'll go over here to the address, and I'm going to Control-C, copy it, and paste it. All right, the date of publication, so when was it published? You'll see it here. It was published on May 23rd of 2019. Here we go. And the most recent date of access, when did you look at it? So you would drop down, but I'm going to hit today, and it'll autofill that in for us. All right. So then we go to the contributors. So basically the author is a woman named Jennifer Peebles. I'll put that in. And you could add multiple contributors, stuff like that. If there's like an editor, you would put their role, stuff like that. But there's not, so we're going to delete it. The web page or the document article title is Georgia's Small Towns Continue to Shrink. Census Data Estimates. All right, so notice I kept it in lowercase and capitalize all of the words in the title, which is annoying, but we're going to keep it the way that the AJC formats it. All right, so the name of the website would be Atlanta Journal Constitution. Publisher, don't worry about it. All right, so we filled out all of the information it's asking for. And we go on here and we hit save. And it's going to generate a citation according to MLA style, the exact way that we need it. It's loading. Come on. All right, so there we go. It's created the citation. Once you get to this point, you would come over here and under options, there's a way that you would copy it, but don't do it that way because it's just going to duplicate the citation. So literally I want you to use the cursor and click and drag. All right, so you'll copy that. I hit Control C again, so copy, and then you would go into a Word document and Control V, paste it in. All right, so there it is formatted correctly with the citation. And another video I'm going to show you how to actually create the annotated bibliography, but that is the citation done correctly. All right, so as always, if you have questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Yeah, till next time.